One of the first things that come to mind when starting a YouTube channel is the question of how long. How long will it take to get 1,000 subscribers? How long will it take to get to 4,000 hours watch time? How long until I can make a full-time living off of YouTube? That's exactly what we're going to break down for you in today's video. Let's jump right into it. YouTube monetization is mainly made up of two criteria, or goals, that need to be met in order to be accepted into the partner program. You will need 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days. You will also need to have 1,000 subscribers. You will also need to comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines and have an AdSense account set up. The guidelines in setting up an AdSense account are relatively easy to abide by and set up, so let's get to the goals. These two goals do seem like quite a lot upon first glance, especially when you're just starting out. It can be quite difficult to see growth at first, but what I am sharing with you in this article will bring in your first few viewers and exponentially grow your channel once you've hit the 100 subscribers or 1,000 watch time mark, and then beyond that, well into monetization. Now that we've classified the goals on how to monetize your YouTube channel in 2020, let's get to the methods that you need to implement to achieve it fast. Make videos for a specific audience. This is one of the areas that I see people struggling with the most. To make videos for a specific audience means that you're focusing on a specific interest people have and creating content to satisfy that interest. The key word here is interest, and this is one of the things that is often misunderstood. This interest is your niche or the topics of the videos that you make. For example, you are a tech channel and make mostly tech reviews. As a result, your audience are people who are interested in tech. This means that when you post a video, the people that watch it will be more likely to watch your other videos on your channel or click through on your thumbnail as it's something that is targeted toward them and they have an interest in. Now let's look at another example. You're still a tech channel, but you've just purchased an old Chevy that you're going to restore and post the videos on your channel. What will happen when people who have shown proof that they're interested in tech are now being presented with car restoration videos? They're going to just skip over them, and the YouTube algorithm is going to think this content is not relevant to these particular people. Think about how that will then work later on when you upload another tech video. How will the algorithm know this content is then again relevant and to which audience? Should your new car restoration subscribers or people looking for Chevy restoration videos be shown this video, or the alienated audience from before? Stick to a specific niche to build an audience of people who are interested in the videos you create. As you create more videos, YouTube will work out that this type of person is watching these videos, and your videos will start being recommended to viewers with similar interests. Once you have a good number of videos on your channel, this can be huge for channel growth. Upload consistently. Consistency is important. It lets your viewers know when they can expect new content from you. It tells YouTube that you're taking care of your channel and care about your community. When you're trying to monetize your YouTube channel, it can be especially important because you will be creating more content. More videos on your channel mean there will be more chances to find your ideal audience, and there will be more content for them to watch once you've reached them. More videos generally means more watch time. Now, let's just put this into perspective first. More videos do not necessarily mean more videos. Confusing, I know, but let me explain. For a video to be worthwhile uploading to YouTube, it needs to provide some sort of value to viewers. This could be entertainment, information, education, etc. What this means when it comes to uploading more videos to YouTube and being consistent is that you only need to upload videos that provide viewers with value, and if that means you can only create one value-rich video per week or one per month, then that's the schedule you need to stick to. If you can create videos 2 or 3 times per week, that's great, but make sure there is a reason behind uploading them. Uploading a video just for the sake of uploading isn't going to get you anywhere. For most niches, I recommend 1 or 2 videos per week, as long as it is something you are able to handle whilst providing some sort of value to your audience. Consistency will increase the likelihood of reaching your ideal audience and more watch time. Use YouTube playlists. Still considered an underutilized feature on YouTube is playlists. These can be quite quick to set up and can yield great returns because they're still so often overlooked, even once you already know the benefits. Playlists do 3 main things that you need to know about when trying to monetize your YouTube channel. Playlists appear in YouTube search results, be found more easily. Once someone clicks on a playlist, they get automatically forwarded to the next video in the playlist once the video they're watching is ended. More watch time. Easy way to categorize your channel. When people visit your channel, they know immediately what to expect, increasing subscriber rates. Playlists are such an untapped resource on YouTube. I've put together an entire article on playlists that you can read here. Once you've finished reading this article, of course, go ahead and open it up in a new tab in the meantime. Create a thumbnail that captures attention. This one may be quite obvious, but it's worth mentioning as so many people treat YouTube thumbnails as an afterthought. The thumbnail is often the first thing a potential viewer will see relating to your video. If it's bland, mundane, or just uninteresting, that user is not going to click through and you won't get the view. But it's not just about one view. If that one person doesn't click through, how many more people are just skipping past your videos? You can actually look at this in your analytics under Reach, Impressions. These are the number of times your videos have appeared in search results, on someone's feed, or in the suggested bar, etc. And you can also see the click-through rate. It's not just about people skipping your videos, though, as YouTube clearly states that by increasing your click-through rate, you can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content. Utilize your end screen and cards. One of the goals when it comes to monetizing your YouTube channel fast is to get more watch time. A great way to get more watch time is to keep the people that are already watching your videos on your channel. How do you do this? Well, one aspect is to create videos on similar topics, although I may have already mentioned that. To get people to continue watching your content, utilize your end screen to suggest a similar video, and use a card in the video to link to a similar video or a video that provides more information. If people have stuck around all the way to the end of your video, there's a good chance they enjoyed your video and will be interested in watching another. Make it easy for them by suggesting one or two in your end screen. Double down on what works. Makes sense, right? It's working, so why not make more of it? This is where it becomes useful to pay attention to your analytics. Look at what type of videos get the most views, have good click-through rates, where your traffic is coming from, etc. Once you know where your viewers are coming from and what they're interested in, you can create videos that are specifically targeted for your audience. This can then increase your CTR, watch time, and can convert more of those viewers into subscribers. There's a lot more value that can be found in your analytics, so it's worthwhile to spend some time getting to know what everything means. Do you already have a YouTube channel? If so, what's your main goal with it? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new here. And until next time, keep up the hustle.